Hi viewers, in this video we will solve problem 1.11 from the book Heat Transfer by J.P. Wallman, 10th edition. Two perfectly black surfaces are constructed so that all the radiant energy leaving a surface at 800 centigrade reaches the other surface. The temperatures of other surface is maintained at 250 centigrade. Calculate the heat transfer between the surfaces per hour and per unit area of the surface maintained at 800 centigrade. So we have two surfaces. Let's say this is surface 1 that is maintained at a temperatures of 800 centigrade, and there is another surface that is at a temperatures of 250 centigrade. So the radiant heat transfer will take place from this higher temperature surfaces to the lower temperature surfaces, and that we need to how much heat transfer per unit area per hour is transfers we need to calculate. So heat transfer per unit area is our requirement to calculate. So the temperatures of the higher temperatures T1, that is 800 centigrade, convert that into Kelvin. Just say 273 with it and you will get 1073 Kelvin. T2, that is 250 centigrade, add 273 with it will convert into 573 Kelvin. So it will convert into 523 Kelvin. So what is the Stefan-Boltzmann constant? That is equal to 5.669 multiplied by 10 to the power minus 8. So applying the Stefan-Boltzmann's law for radiations, so heat transfer is equal to Stefan's area and the 4 power of the absolute temperatures. So divide both sides with the area. This will be cancelled out with this. So heat transfer per unit area you will get, that is Stefan-Boltzmann constant and the 4 power of the absolute temperatures. So there is two temperatures, we need to take difference of it. So that is T1 4 minus T2 4 power of the root. Heat transfer per unit area, what is Stefan-Boltzmann's constant? That is 5.667 multiplied by 10 to the power minus 8. What is T1? That is 1073 the power 4 minus 523 to the power 4. So after simplification this on the calculator, you will find that the heat transfer per unit area you will get, that is 70.9 kilowatt per meter square, and this is our final answer. I hope you understand. If you still have any confusion, you can ask in the comment section. For more such videos, please subscribe my channel.